This is my first time at Thailand, and I tell you, it's a very unique place. This place is full of energy and a vibrance that you don't see at most tech shows.
Oh, the energy is awesome. I say it's festive, it's fun. The talent here is engaged, they're interested, and they are looking for that next great opportunity.
And hopefully at Micron, right?
Hopefully at Micron, absolutely.
We came into Thailand, we decided to be a corporate sponsor so that we could really get to participate in all aspects, from stage events, panels, sponsoring hackathon. And so we're really coming in our first year kind of big.
What is a hackathon? A hackathon is an exercise that we are providing to the students mainly or recent graduates that we provide a real life scenario that they need to optimize and provide a good solution for us. I'm super enthusiastic to see the outcome of the solution.
If you want to be part of the next generation, you want to be the innovative class, that's what we're all about. Whether it's your green technologies or automotive technologies or AI technologies, Micron is always there, helping those companies solve those innovations and making that a reality.
Vamos, Micron.
Vamos, Micron.